Welcome back. You're watching Opening Fire. That's the Nifty for you. Slipping off the highest point of the day, 5,900 now. When we slipped into break, it was about 5,905, so slipping a little more. Ranbaxy is in focus. Remember, off late, barring yesterday where it actually recovered, there have been pressure days for Ranbaxy. 376 on the stock. My colleague Nidhi Razdan caught up with the management at Ranbaxy, Mr. Arun Sone. He's the CEO and MD at the company. She put forth questions with regards to what's been happening at Ranbaxy, what are the areas of concern, and a slew of issues at the company, starting from the quality of the drugs itself.
The fact is that serious questions are being raised today all over the world about the quality of Ranbaxy's drugs. The question that people are asking is that if your company could commit a fraud in the United States, how do we know that the quality of the drugs has not been compromised here in India? How are you going to assure a regular person here that your drugs really are safe?
We have in the interim made investments of over $300 million in upgrading our facilities, imparting skills, hiring the best consultants in the world. All this will go into giving us an assurance that our drugs will continue to remain safe and efficacious, not only in India, not only in the US, but all markets of the world where we sell our medicines.
Well, I think a lot of people will wonder what is the difference between adulteration in the United States and here in India. But you had said earlier that you will stand by every single pill that Ranbaxy makes. My question again is, how can you assure us that none of these pills are adulterated by any standard?
I can assure you that every pill of Ranbaxy that is on the market is not adulterated. As I have explained to you the meaning of the word adulterated in the US context. The Ranbaxy drugs in India and in US and in all the markets of the world are safe, efficacious and not adulterated.
Mr. Sani, the other aspect of this story has been, a lot of anger that while Ranbaxy got away with a $500 million fine, who's going to hold those executives accountable for the wrongdoing that was going on in the company? Are they just going to get away with it?
Ranbaxy today is a completely new company. We have a reconstituted board. We have a reconstituted executive committee. And none of the key executives of the past are today in the company. This is now a new Ranbaxy, which we are looking forward to growing the business of the company. We are looking forward to continuing our growth plans for the future. We are looking forward to the generic market, which is very promising, as more than 2/3 of the expansion of the pharmaceutical market in the world will come from the generic business segment. We are looking forward to our growth plans. We are not dwelling so much on what has happened in the past.
All right, the management at Ranbaxy taking some questions, hard-hitting questions there with what has come into the limelight. It's come on the scanner of late. So